Here I have just sort of a bonus example for us because there wasn't one like this in the set originally, so I wanted to add one on. Here you are asked to plot the complex number 5i. So when you have an example like this, it's nothing to be alarmed about. You just want to remember that it's actually just 0 plus 5i, or maybe next time there's a negative number, so then in that case 0 minus 5i. So the a is 0 and the b in this case is positive 5. So that would mean that the 0 tells you there's 0 horizontal movement, so you do not move off of the imaginary axis. And then when you move in the imaginary direction, there's only a vertical change. So you're only going up or down, but you would still indicate that it is on the complex number plane, and it's not really anything that's scary. So what does this look like? Well, here I'm just going to go ahead and label the real axis and the, of course, imaginary. I try not to always, especially when I'm showing you guys what's going on, label the imaginary axis with just an I and the real axis with just an R, because the I to me isn't really enough because it's actually a point on the axis. The I is the first tick mark right there, one I. So that's the one thing I don't like. And then abbreviating it, it looks like image, like an abbreviation of that. I don't know. So that's why I tend to write it out every time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there we have 5i. And that's all we need to really worry about right now, okay? So could you add more tick marks? Sure, go crazy. But that right there, that's all we need, okay? So that was just one little extra example, and we're gonna go ahead and move into some absolute value of complex numbers next.